Hi guys, welcome to Yes You Can channel. If your Microsoft security is not working on Windows 10/11, then stay tuned and I will show you what to do to open Microsoft Defender. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, Microsoft security is not opening up. So what I want you to do is right click, go to app settings. Now scroll down and I want you to click on repair. Below it, reset. Click on that. Now try this method, it might work for you. I want you now to exit Microsoft Security and start it again. No joy, as you can see. Right, so now this is what you need to do. Type in Windows PowerShell. Right click and run as administrator. In Windows PowerShell, I want you to type this command. I will leave this in the description. Tap onto the enter key. Now exit. Go back to Microsoft Security. Right click on app settings. Scroll down where you see reset, repair. Click on that. Let it repair. Exit. Now restart Microsoft Security. And it will work. It will 100% work, guys. I hope so for you. So thumbs up, leave a thumbs up, comment below and tell me how you get on. I hope this video tutorial has helped you. Please check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next video.